I am moving to Birmingham tomorrow and oh my god, I'm really nervous about it. I think I'm mostly packed. I'm looking around my room like thinking, yeah, I definitely need that. I need my onesie. I definitely need my onesie. I'm really hoping that I haven't forgotten anything because it's kind of stressing me out. I remembered earlier that I hadn't packed coat hangers and now I just have a bag of coat hangers over there. But I have got a few bags kind of thrown around everywhere and a couple of just random things like a hairdryer that I haven't packed yet and a stuffed toy that my friend got that I thought might make me feel a little bit better. I've kind of got things thrown everywhere at the minute. Hairdryer, camera bag on the bed there. I haven't made my bed, just ignore that. I was gonna take this TV, but I don't think there's actually room in the car. I feel like I have too many pairs of shoes. But, you know, I suppose I am a girl and girls have lots of pairs of shoes. What else have we got hiding? Some more bags here. I'm probably feeling a little bit more nervous than I am excited. Of course I am excited, but I just think there's a lot that I'm going to have to suddenly do by myself that I've never had to do before. And I'm really nervous about like trying to budget everything because I've never done that before. I've never had like my own money before, so yeah, that does make me a little bit nervous. I tried to figure out a budget plan the other day, but my stepdad said, you know, you don't know what you're spending yet. I'm just kind of gonna have to hope for the best, I guess. Just watch what I'm doing for like the first couple of weeks until I can figure out what exactly I need to spend on what. I'm really excited to start my new course in photography and in a big city as well. You know, there's so many opportunities in Birmingham. Plus I'm gonna make, you know, so many new friends. It's a completely fresh start and I live in the middle of nowhere pretty much, so you know, it's gonna be great to have a complete change of scenery and be in like a really big and bustling city where stuff's going on and you can meet new people every day. So I'm really excited for that part of it. It's just, I think living by myself and doing stuff for myself is kind of a scary prospect at the moment. I think I'm gonna go have a little bit of a celebratory drink with my parents now, so I'll see you tomorrow. I got up like an hour ago or so, and I think I've pretty much packed the last of my things. They are laying on my bed behind me here. Obviously I know I've been moving for quite some time, but I don't think until today it's actually felt like properly real. I'm a little bit nervous today. I am still excited, obviously. I don't think you could not be excited about something so big like this. But yeah, I am very nervous as well. And yeah, hoping I haven't forgotten anything. Yeah, so I'll say goodbye. Make sure I've got everything one last time and we'll be off. We're on the road, in the car, amongst all of my things. A little bit of an emotional start to the day. My friend stayed last night, so I had to say goodbye to her this morning. I'm gonna meet up with Shelby, and she's gonna help me vlog today. I don't think we've got far to go now, so we're nearly there.
What do you think of your new home?
Cozy. It's nice. It's cozy. I like it. I can live here. My room at home is small, so it's whatever in it. I'll probably be out most of the time anyway. Using it up. I have a bottle of Pimm's somewhere. Where is it? I've got lots to unpack now.
Did your cactus have a name?
No, I need to name him. Oh, I've lost my Pimm's. Oh, I don't know. I've got some Pimm's somewhere. I don't know where though.
Have you looked at the welcome week timetable?
A little bit. I think, is the freshest fair on Wednesday?
Yeah, that's kind of like the main thing.
Yeah, okay. Sure.
Sign up to some societies. Yeah. Do you have any in mind?
I looked at some and I just want to go to like all of them though.
What are you looking forward to the most?
I don't know. Probably my course. So I'm like really into photography, obviously. That's why I picked it. But yeah, no, it's just really exciting.
How long do you think it'll take you to settle in?
I don't know. Probably ages. To be fair, freshers will probably be like, you know, the best thing because otherwise I won't know what to do for like the whole week. I'll just be like stuck, not knowing what to do. So freshers week, I think, is it's just going to get me out. I would have gone and said good morning to everybody, but I don't think anybody is actually up yet. Moving in went pretty well. I mean, everything has a place, everything is organised, which is how I like it. I think so far I've done a pretty good job of making it my own, so that makes me quite happy. See a reason why you wouldn't want to live in halls, at least for your first year, because you kind of have everything that you want. I guess it's kind of being an adult on easy mode, if that makes sense. For me, it's been a great experience. Most of my flatmates are really nice, easy to get along with people. So yeah, I do recommend staying in halls for your first year at the least. I was definitely very nervous and a little bit overwhelmed my first night here. But once you kind of get over that, everybody's like that, you know. You can't really help it, and it's a big step. So don't be concerned or worried that you're not, you know, settled in on the first night or whatever, because it's completely normal. You'll settle in eventually. I've heard that the first 2 weeks are actually the worst for that. So after the first 2 weeks, then you should be good.